Welcome to Borisov Cadet College online class. I hope all of you are fine at your sweet home. Today I am Sheikh Wajid Ali, lecturer mathematics department. Take your mathematics class. For corona pandemic, you cannot come to your second home, your love, lovely college, but we will continue to teach with online. So everyone stay with us, and for corona, 7 steps here. You just follow, you know the rules and regulation for preventing corona, but you just follow the rules. You cannot move or go outside of your house if it is badly or necessary most. You stay home and keep safe from others and wash your hands frequently so that you save. Okay. Now our actual class will start. Okay. Now ask someone who at Oshin.
Sir,
Can you say what we are going to learn today from this picture? Oshim,
no, sir.
there is a
Oh, sir,
word
this is proportional, sir. Yeah, proportionality,
proportion,
sir.
ratio. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay,
Yes, sir. Proportion.
okay.
Chapter 11, sir.
Chapter 11. So our today's topic is chapter 11, algebraic ratio and proportion. If anyone use website, college website, please disconnect that. Please log out from your website. Okay. If anyone use website now, please log out from your website. Okay. You know our website is not taking very much huge number of people, so you log out from your website. Okay. Now algebraic ratio and proportion. Learning outcome after the lesson you will be able to apply continued proportion formula. It is very important for our this section. Continued proportion, or it is called ordered proportion. Now second one, apply transform of ratio formulas. It is very important you apply, but you have to memorize that which rules you apply, because you have to mention in the problem solving. And third one, apply proportional division formula. You know the proportional division formula, it is important. And solve creative question. Mainly we solve creative questions, but before solving creative question we review the basic idea of this section. Okay. Now continued proportion. We know the continued proportion. If proportion is, if two ratio are equal, then we called it is continued proportion. Okay, so we call it is proportion, but when it is continued proportion, three quantities are said to be in continued proportion. if the ratio if the ratio between the first and second is equal to the ratio between second and third. It's like that. A, B, C are said to be continued proportion if A is to B equal to B is to C. Thus, A, B, C will be continued proportional if and only if B square equal to AC. That means A divided by B equal to B divided by C. That means B square equal to AC. In case of continued proportional, all the quantities are to be same kinds. We know that for proportion, the all all elements or all quantities are need not to be same. But for continued proportion, all quantities are same kinds. In case C is called the third proportion of AB and B is called the mid proportion of A and C. So it is mentioned that A, B, C are continued proportion, that is A is first, B is mid or second or C is third. These sequence are very important. If A, B, C, this sequence has, then we say that A is to B equal to B is to C or B square equal to AC. Okay, now transform of ratio. Transform of ratio first. If A is to B equal to B is C is to D, and then we say B is to A equal to C is D is to C. It is rule of invertendo. That means we invert or transform into inverse. That is invertendo. If A is to B equal to C is to D, then A is to C equal to B is to D. That is altertendo. That is A and B and C are altered. That is altertendo. And if A is to B equal to C is to D, then A plus B divided by B equal to C plus D divided by D. That is componendo. And you know that if componendo, here it is plus A plus B divided by B equal to C plus D divided by D. And if A plus A is to B equal to C is to D, then A minus B equal to A minus B divided by B equal to C minus D divided by D. That is dividendo. So first for componendo, here it is for numerator it is positive and for dividendo it is negative. Okay, and we apply componendo and dividendo together, and here A plus B divided by A minus B equal to C plus D divided by C minus D. For numerator it is componendo and for denominator it is dividendo. Okay, boys. So first if we write componendo dividendo, then numerator we do in numerator componendo, and in denominator we use dividendo, and we alter it like that: dividendo componendo. Dividendo componendo, that means in numerator we use dividendo and in denominator we use componendo. And the last one is if A by B equal to C by D equal to E by F equal to Z by A's, all the ratio are equal, then form a proportion, great proportion, then each of the ratio will be A plus C plus E plus G divided by B plus D plus S plus H. Okay, so it is A divided by equal to this ratio, C by D equal to this ratio. So all these ratio are equal. That is different from the first six. So first we use invertendo, then alternando, then componendo, dividendo, componendo, dividendo, dividendo, componendo, and last one is different from the others. Okay. Now continued ratio for for this two formula is important for 4.11.1 and continued ratio and this proportional division is important for 11.2 formula. Okay, so I you continued ratio. So if two ratio like that A is to B and B is to C, then if together A is to B is to C, then this is called successive ratio or continued ratio. So first you see continued proportion and here it is continued ratio. Okay, so it is continued ratio two we put together two ratio. Then there is a technique. Any two or more ratio can be expressed in this form. This is noted that if two ratios are to be expressed in the form A is to B is to C, the antecedent of first ratio, that means for A is to B ratio, for A is to B ratio B, and B is to C ratio, the first ratio of subsequent second ratio, that means B. Here we see that for first ratio and second ratio B is common. So this we just equal this B for in two ratio. Then we put together in from A is to B is to C and we find continued ratio. Okay, now proportional division. Sometimes we need to divide an amount or a quantity up according to a particular ratio, which is called proportional division. That means like that you have like for person A, person B, and person C, their ratio 2 is to 3 is to 5, and you need to divide some amount of money like 230 taka. You have to divide in A, B, and C is in this ratio 2 is to 3 is to 5. So then you need or you use proportional division to give them that money. So it is the formula that is uh, if S is to be divided in a given ratio, A is to B is to C is to D, then we need to first divide S divided by A plus B plus C. Then the parts of A is to A, B, C needs to be taken. So for first, therefore, for first, like A part, S of A divided by A plus B plus C plus D. So first we add all the ratios and then we divide that part, A part divided by total part, and we multiply into S. Then it is S A divided by A plus B plus C plus D. Okay. Now, second part, S of B by A plus B plus C plus D equal to SB divided by A plus B plus C plus D. Now I ask someone, to Rubaiyat, 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 unmute you. Where is Rubaiyat? Okay, Rubaiyat. Now you say third part. What is the, how can we get third part?
And that part S of this is S of C, then F
S of
C by A
C.
plus B plus
C divided by
C plus
A
A plus
plus
B
B
plus
plus C plus D. Oh, that is
C
equal to
plus
SC, right?
D. Yes, sir.
SC divided by A plus B plus C plus D. Okay,
D.
good. Okay, good. Now mute you. And that Talha.
Yes, sir.
Talha, you say fourth part. Fourth part.
The fourth part is S of D by A plus B. Sorry, sir.
S of D divided by,
A plus B plus C plus D is equals to SD divided by A plus B plus C plus D.
okay, good. Thank you. Okay. Now, now the our basic part of this section is that, so similarly we can like say that in this way any quantity may be divided into any given ratio. That means for a part we a divided by total ratio s of a by a plus b plus c plus d. Similarly we say all that. Okay, that is all for our basic part. And now, if you have any query, please ask me. And I we want to go to solve creative questions. So if you have any problem in chapter 11 basic concept, so you can ask me and or raise your hand. So we solve your problems. We'll try to solve your problems. Tawfiq. Okay.
Sir, I didn't understand the last part, sir. The very last part. So division S of A, S of B, sir. I didn't understand
Okay.
those.
Okay. For here we have A's to B's to C's to D. Okay. And we
Yes,
have
sir.
to divide the S amount. Okay. And for S amount, the first part equal to S of the given ratio for A part what? For first part, it is A ratio, right?
Yes, sir.
Tawfiq. So the A part divided by total part, that is the ratio percentage, and we multiply into the total. Okay, total what we have to divide for S. Okay, so that means S into A divided by A plus B plus C plus D. Okay, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for
Thank you, sir.
questioning. And now, anyone have any query, please ask. I, because you have no time to, we go back to your problem because you are at your home. So we cannot connect directly with you to find out your problem. So if you have any problem, raise your hand. Okay, don't feel shy. Everyone in that virtual area, everyone is your friend except me. Okay, so no problem. Tell me what's you have your problem. This is okay. Okay, I think you have no problem. Everyone understands the topic now. Now we start creative question, problem one. Before going to creative question, now I give you some idea or technique of this chapter. You see, for this chapter, there is a lot of problem, but 11.1 and 11.2, 11.2 is less important, but for this examine of 2021, it is important 11.2 because for 2020 all the board questions are belong to majority chapter 11.1. So the most popular questions are in 2020 questions. So there may be the not different, not very hard question, but the unusual question or not popular question will come, I think. Okay, you just, that's why you should follow the all questions. Okay, now I start problem one. Problem one, we have two stems. One is y square equal to xz and stem 2 equal to p equal to 26 meter and q equal to 10 meter. And now I ask someone, Cadet Hamid, 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 you have internet problem? You
No,
understand?
sir.
Okay, now for stem 1, y square equal to xz.
Yes, sir.
What we say that x, what it's maybe say that y square equal to xz. What is x, y,
Sir,
z
x
are,
divided by y equal to y divided by z.
that means,
X divided by y equal to y divided by z.
that means we can
Continued
say
proportion.
continued proportion or ordered proportion. Good, thank you. And now, okay, so that is continued proportion, or this question may be arise in this way that x, y, and z are continued proportion. That question may be arise in that way, or likely that way, that y squared equal to xz. So, and now from 1, show that x, y, z into x plus y plus z to the power cube divided by xy plus yz plus zx to the power cube equal to 1. And number B question, according to the stem, establish number 1. That means we have to establish y squared equal to xz. If x squared plus y squared by y squared plus z squared equal to x plus y whole square by y plus z whole square. And now third one, considering p, that means 26 meter as the value of length and q, 10 meter as the value of breadth of a rectangle. If the length of a rectangle is increased by 10% and and breadth is decreased by 20%, what is the percentage of increase or decrease of the area of rectangle? Determine it. Okay, and now for a question, we know that y squared equal to xz. So here we put the value of yz x xz as y squared. So now we solve it. Solution A. We know that given that y square equal to xz, and we have left hand side xyz x plus y plus z cube divided by xy plus yz plus zx cube, that is xz, we have xz into y, we write that way. That is, we know that xz equal to y square. So put y square into y, and it is same xy plus x plus y plus z cube. And here yz, we write xz as y square. So we take common from this y. So if we take y common, then y to the power cube. Okay, y cube divided by here x remaining, and here z, and here y. So we can write x plus y plus z cube. That is y cube divided by y cube, and x plus y plus z cube divided by x plus y plus z cube. So that it is 1, and 1 equal to right hand side. So it is shown. And now number 2. So here we have x square plus y square divided by y square plus z square equal to x plus y whole square divided by y plus z whole square. And we have to show that y square equal to xz, or x, y, or z are continued proportion. So this is might be like that way. So this question may be arise in two cases. For first case, and it will be reciprocal. So this question may be arise in two type. For one type, for this type, and for secondly we say that we have y squared equal to xz, or xyz are continued proportion. So we have to show this. Okay, maybe this two type. Now for this question, we have x square plus y square divided by y square plus z square equal to x plus y whole square by y plus z whole square. So we first alternate means y plus z whole square, right? The upper of first, that is y plus z whole square by y square plus z square, and x plus y whole square divided by x square plus y square. And then we simplify square formula, that is y square plus 2yz plus z square by y square plus z square equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square by x square plus y square. So that is after using the transform formula of dividend here, y square plus 2yz plus z square minus y square minus z square divided by y square plus z square equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square minus x square minus y square by x square plus y square. So here y square and y square eliminate, z square and z square will eliminate. So the remaining part 2yz, and here the remaining part is 2xy. So here boys, see that we cannot find out the value of xyz solution. So here we can eliminate the variable. Okay, only this proof we can use the elimination of variables. So we eliminate 2 from both sides and y from both sides. Then we get z by y square plus z square equal to x by x square plus y square. And after cross multiplication, we get that. And simplifying this together, y square z minus y square x, and z square x minus x square z, and to take common y square from right left hand side, and y square z minus x, and zx from right hand side, z minus x, so y square equal to xz. So it is shown. And now third question. So we have a rectangle and length p equal to 26 meter and breadth q equal to 10 meter, and we increase 10% length, then 26 plus 26 into 10 divided by 100, 28.6 meter, and 20% decrease breadth, 10 minus 10 into 20 by 100 meter, that is 8 meter, and the previous area is 26 into 10 square meter, that means 260 square meter, and new area is 28.8 into 8 square meter, that is 228.8 square meter. And we see that from this here previous area 260 square meter and new area 228 square meter. So for here area decreases, 260 minus 228.8 square meter, 31.2 square meter. So area percentage decrease equal to 31.2 divided by 260 into 100%, that is 12%. Okay, I hope everyone understands that this question is really important for your exam. So now I uh, sign out and you join again this website. Okay. Okay, everyone again join next session.